Ako po si Lemel Bea, ang inyong Assistant Secretary. Tumatakbo po sa ilalim ng partidong Siklab. Samahan ng inyong kumikilala sa lakas ng bawat isa.
Bang her!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Iris Trotoco, ang inyong Engineering Student Council. Assistant Secretary.
Iris, alam na ba po natin na yung platforms mo ay mapangarap? Tanong ko po ay, ano yung magagawa mo given yung exception ng simbahayan sa Faculty of Engineering regarding sa community development activities in terms of budgets?
What do you mean exception ng simbahan?
I believe na tumatakbo ka bilang Assistant Secretary ng ESC, so I am certain that you should be aware of that.
Aware po ako na involved po ang simbahan sa lahat ng community development projects natin. Lahat po ng community development projects natin ay dumadaan sa simbahan at ang funds po natin ay nanggagaling po sa Community Development Student Fund. So,
let me explain to you. Yung exception kasi ng simbahayan sa Faculty of Engineering, kailangan muna natin mag-release ng liquidation report para mag-release nila ng budget ng Community Development Fund. So, ang tanong ko ulit, paano mo mapapatupad yung projects mo kung ayaw magbigay or magbaba ng pondo ng simbahayan for your projects?
naniniwala po ako na kung gusto, may paraan. So, gagawin ko po yung lahat ng aking makakaya para masolusyonan po ito. Siguro syempre po, external factor na po yun, yung hindi po nila magbaba. Kasi, hindi ko naman po term yung involved doon. So, sa akin po, hanap po ako ng ibang way kung saan kakausapin ko po sila para ma-push through po yung projects po na gusto ko po makita sa engineering at sa ating partner communities po.
Next question. How will you obliterate student apathy and the community development activities that you're planning to do? So, paano mo gagawin yun?
So, ayun po, sa platforms ko po, meron po akong ComDev Watch. ComDev Watch is one way of letting the students know, the Faculty of Engineering, of what would happen sa ating community development. Most of us, normal students, hindi po natin alam kung ano po nangyayari sa ating community development. Malaging student leaders lang po yung sumasama kapag may community development. So, gusto ko maging involved sila sa ating mga community development projects kasi iba rin yung may social responsibility tayo as a human being. So, iba po talaga yung maging involved sila. So, yun po, yung ComDev Watch through awareness and yung another platform ko po is yung Engvolve, wherein I would open the community development projects to our fellow students po.
Ang question ko po kasi ay, paano ma-abolish yung student apathy? Paano mo sila mahihikayat para sumali sa mga community development activities na ipapalagay?
Ganito po yan. We can look at it at a different perspective. Community development, pumupunta po tayo sa different communities natin. So, pag pumupunta po tayo outside sa ating partner communities, may kasama po tayong professor. Pwede po nating isipin na makikipag-bonding lang tayo sa ating mga professors, ganon. Tapos parang field trip, pero nakatulong ka na. Parang ganon po. It's a matter of how you see things.
Alam naman natin na hindi lahat pare-pareho mag-isip. So, lahat tayo individual, so iba-iba tayo ng perception. So, paano mo sila mahikayat?
In my opinion po, iba po kasi yung makita nila, yung kalagayan ng ating community. Kaya nga, yung ComDev Watch ko po, yun po yung awareness. So, doon ko po plano ilagay lahat ng mangyayari sa ating community development. From photos to inviting them to join sa ating community development projects. Siyempre, gusto ko po ma-experience nila kung gaano ka-fulfilling ang makatulong sa ating partner community. So, ayun po yung gagawin ko. Naniniwala po ako na lahat, ang bawat inhinyerong Tomasino ay may puso, may compassion. Through that, alam ko po, nagtitiwala po ako sa kanila na sasama po sila, i-involve nila yung sarili nila sa ating mga community development project. Yung first question ko po, pwede po bang pa-explain po yung ano po, yung platforms niyo po?
Yung akin kasi, I have two proposed projects. Yun po yung self-defense workshop at health awareness program. Una, yung self-defense workshop po, dito magkakontak ako ng training kung saan mag-serve as avenue for additional knowledge sa mga estudyante ng Faculty of Engineering kung saan matututo sila ng basic approach, ng correct postures or correct position kung saan mas madedepensahan pa nila yung sarili nila. Pangalawa, yung health awareness program. Under po dito yung workout training tsaka nutrition program. Yung una, yung workout training, dito po maglalabas kami ng mga home workouts kung saan maging aware yung students. Kasabay po nito yung sa nutrition program na awareness din po sa basic diet tsaka proper diet.
With that po, yung sa... ano ba yung first project niyo po? Yan po, yung self-defense workshop niyo po, paano niyo po siya plan i-implement? Since workshop siya, meaning continuous po siya. Mananingil ka po ba sa students ng fee or would it libre lang po ba siya? If yes, paano po magiging, paano mo ma-encourage yung students to join your workshop since alam naman po natin na engineering students tayo. Marami po tayong academic loads. Ayun po.
Ayun, community development. So, nawawala yung essence kapag pinabayad mo sila for registration. So, ang essence po ng community development ay yung willingness mo to serve or to give service sa mga estudyante. So, to answer your question, kung paano ko po sila mahihikayat, nandyan po yung pakikipag-coordinate ko sa PR natin na Miss Denise Bancoleta. Nandyan po yung correct information dissemination. Nandyan po yung posters online. So, I don't think na hindi sila mahihikayat dahil alam naman po natin ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, marami na pong masasamang loob na hindi natin inaasahan, lalo na po tuwing enrollment. Hindi po natin inaasahan na nandyan lang po sila, na kapag mag-enroll ka na, oh, asan yung pera ko? Paano na ako makakapag-enroll? Na-hold up na pala ako. Yun po.
Yung second question ko po, knowing that yung tinatakbuhan po natin is Assistant Secretary and ayon po sa Constitution, yung Assistant Secretary po is yung officer in charge ng community development. Which among your platforms would be of help to our partner community in order for them to grow?
Ayun. So, ayon po sa Article 2, Section 4, sinasabi po ng UST-ESC ay kailangan makapag-coordinate sa administration, faculty, at sa other sectors ng university in promoting academic freedom, common interests, and general welfare of students. So, to answer your question,
which among your platforms would be of help to our partner community in order for them to grow?
Okay. So, to answer your question, alam naman po natin na by practice, ang officer in charge ng community development team ay ang assistant secretary. So, naisip ko lang, why don't you focus on things that is beyond the reach of your job description? So, ang ginawa ko po kasi, ang advocacy ko for this year bilang assistant secretary ay ang general welfare of students. So, alam naman po natin na by practice nga, kapag nakupo na po tayo sa loob, ay mga community development po na gagawin mo, yun na po talaga yung kailangan mong gawin pag nakupo ka na. So, why not think out of the box po?